Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Bulgarian ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, how is it going? This is Daria, your host for the 2000 Core Bulgarian Words and Phrases video series. Here each episode will teach you new vocabulary. Practice it and then at the end review what you've just learned in this episode. Are you ready to start with the first word? I am. Here it is. Saxophone. 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 Saxophonist. Saxophone player. Saxophonist. Barabani. Drums. Barabani. Barabani. Drums. Свиря на барабани. Play the drums. Свиря на барабани. Хармоника. Harmonica. Harmonica. Хармоника. Хармоника. Свиря на хармоника. Play the harmonica. Свиря на хармоника. Room service. Room service. Room service. Room service. Room service. Ястие от room service. Room service meal. Ястие от room service. Касова бележка. Receipt. Касова бележка. Касова бележка. Receipt. Не ми трябва касова бележка. I don't need the receipt. Не ми трябва касова бележка. Безжичен интернет. Wi-Fi. Безжичен интернет. Безжичен интернет. Wi-Fi. Рутер за безжичен интернет. Wi-Fi router. Рутер за безжичен интернет. Кофа за буклук. Trash can. Кофа за буклук. Кофа за буклук. Trash can. Слагам кофата за буклук отвън на бордюра всеки вторник, за да бъде изпразнена. Put the trash can out by the curb every Tuesday to be emptied. Слагам кофата за буклук отвън на бордюра всеки вторник, за да бъде изпразнена. Плик. Envelope. Плик. Плик. Envelope. Запечатвам плика. Seal the envelope. Запечатвам плика. Хартия. Paper. Хартия. Хартия. Paper. Хартия и молив. Paper and pencil. Хартия и молив. Сгодявам се. Engage. Сгодявам се. Сгодявам се. Engage. Ние се сгодихме. We got engaged. Ние се сгодихме. So far, so good, everybody. Now let's review what you have just learned in this lesson. Respond to the following prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Please respond in Bulgarian. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Are you ready to start? Let's go. Do you remember how to say saxophone? Saxophone. Saxophone. And how about the word for drums in Bulgarian? Barabani. Barabani. Let's try a different musical instrument. How about harmonica? Harmonica. Harmonica. That was an easy one. Okay, let's try with room service. Room service. Room service. Here's a more complicated one. Do you remember how to say receipt in Bulgarian? Касова бележка. Касова бележка. Great. And now let's try your memory on Wi-Fi. Безжичен интернет. Безжичен интернет. So far, so good. We're moving on to the next one. Do you remember how to say trash can? Kofa za bukluk. Kofa za bukluk. Good. Moving on to the next one. Do you remember how to say envelope? Plik. Plik. Here's another one. Try this one. What is the Bulgarian word for paper? Hartia. Hartia. And last one for you guys. Do you recall how to say engage in Bulgarian? Zgodjavam se. Zgodjavam se. That's right. I hope you got it all right. If not, you can review the episode again. I'll see you in the next one, and until then, be well. До виждане!